Welcome to the weekly markets update. I'm Mara Tsagarishvili, investment consultant at Kamak Retirement Group. Today we are recapping what moved the markets during the week from October 5th to October 9th. Stock prices fluctuated with headline news on the on-again, off-again stimulus negotiations. Despite some volatility, stocks managed to sustain steady gains this week, with S&P 500 index finishing the week up 3.9%. Fears of a contested election have faded now that polls are leaning decisively in favor of Democratic sweep in November. This would favor even bigger stimulus package early next year. Small cap stocks have notably outperformed the Dow, S&P 500, and Nasdaq in recent weeks. Small cap stocks are typically more sensitive to economic fluctuations than large cap stocks. They usually do well when the economy strengthens and tumble during market recessions. The recent move suggests the market is counting on another relief package to help boost the US economy. Bond volatility spiked to a 4-month high after hitting an all-time low last week. The move coincided with a sharp jump in longer maturity treasury yields. The benchmark 10-year treasury yield climbed to 79 basis points, and the 30-year treasury yields rose to 1.58%. This is the highest level of treasury yield since June. Oil prices climbed as another hurricane threatened to batter U.S. Gulf Coast this weekend. Nearly all oil productions in the regions have been shut down due to precaution. This temporary supply shock have caused the oil prices to rise back up to above $40 a barrel, although the surge is not expected to be sustainable. The minutes from the Federal Reserve September monetary policy meeting were released this past week. Policymakers have noted that recovery had been faster than expected, but uncertainty over the containment of the virus and the absence of new stimulus still pose downside risk to economic outlook. We're over 7 months into pandemic, and there are still a lot of people losing jobs. While the trend has been steadily declining, nearly 1.3 million Americans applied for the first time state and the federal emergency this past week. There are over 25 million Americans currently receiving some form of unemployment aid from the government right now. Stock prices reacted both positive and negative headlines on the stimulus talks this past week. While the negotiations between House and Senate leaders have not produced an agreement, the market remains hopeful there will be another relief package. However, the market is expecting it to come after the election. Amidst all the drama, the Fed Chairman Powell warned Congress that more support was needed to help households and businesses who are still reeling from the coronavirus pandemic. Rising coronavirus infections have forced many countries to tighten restrictions and curb the spread of the virus again. While avoiding another lockdown, local leaders are beginning to implement lighter restrictions such as travel bans and limitations on social activities to slow the spread. Thank you for watching. For questions, please visit our website, kamakretirement.com.